Welcome to the Farming 4.0 channel. Today we will talk about red peppers, from planting to preparing paprika. Let's start with planting. Planting red peppers, choosing seeds. Select high-quality red pepper seeds that are suited to your climate. Soil preparation. The soil should be well-drained and rich in nutrients. Add compost to improve its quality. Sowing. Sow the seeds indoors in seed trays about 8-10 weeks before the last frost. Plant them at a depth of 1 to 2 centimeters. Transplanting. After the seedlings are 6-8 weeks old and the danger of frost has passed, transplant them into the garden. Space the plants 30 to 40 centimeters apart. Plant care. Water the plants regularly and ensure they get plenty of sunlight. Use organic fertilizer to help them grow healthily. Harvesting red peppers are ready to be harvested when they are a deep red color and firm to the touch. Use garden shears or a sharp knife to cut the peppers from the plant, leaving a small part of the stem attached. Handle the peppers carefully to avoid scratching or bruising them. The first step in preparing paprika is selecting the perfect peppers. Opt for vibrant red, fully ripe peppers, as they yield the richest flavor and color. Begin by thoroughly washing the peppers under cool running water, ensuring all dirt and impurities are removed. With a sharp knife, carefully remove the stems and seeds. This not only helps in achieving a smoother texture, but also eliminates the bitterness that seeds can impart. Using a dehydrator, arrange the pepper strips on the dehydrator trays in a single layer. Set the dehydrator to a temperature of around 135 degrees F, 57 degrees C, and let them dry for about 8 to 12 hours, or until they are completely dry and brittle. Once the peppers are fully dried, they are ready to be transformed into fine paprika powder. Using a spice grinder, food processor, or even a mortar and pestle for a more traditional approach, grind the dried pepper strips. Work in batches if necessary to ensure a consistent texture. Aim for a fine, smooth powder, as this will mix more evenly into your recipes and provide a more intense flavor experience. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.